phone to hold me off until then. I need to get lighting. Okay. That's big. How am I gonna do this? So I got this new TV in the Black Friday sales. Got it for €417.05. 5 cents. And it's a Samsung 7 Series TV. It's 4K LED HDR. It's 50 inches. And it's the smart TV. It has the Apple Plus TV app, which was a deal breaker for me. All the Netflix and all that stuff. Connects to the internet, all that. So I'm gonna unbox it, and then the next couple of weeks I'll review it. Deal? Deal. Good. Okay, let's get on with the unboxing. Knife. Okay, where's the tape? This is pretty big, so I have no room to sit. I'm going to sit like this. Oh, it's on the opposite side. Okay. Where am I going to... How am I going to do this? Okay. It is a big TV. I really do hope it fits the wall. Excuse the lighting. I need to get better lighting. I really shouldn't be taking it out of the box like this, but I don't have a choice. Okay, so quick soda guide. Don't need that. Cool to stand. I'm not on the wall, so I won't need that. Oh my god. This is tightly packed. Be careful with the TV sticking out. Be quiet. I'm not being quiet. Okay. Oh wow, this is heavy. I came out way too easy. Oh god, okay. Now this will be going on my wall. There behind me. So I'll be using this. Do all the usual internet stuff. Netflix. I used connect this stuff to it. Like with a dongle or whatever. It have HDMI in it. Hopefully this has HDMI. It doesn't have, find some other way to connect. It has AirPlay actually in it as well, so I can connect via AirPlay. Yeah, so let me take this out first so I can remove it off. So I can... Oh, no, don't fall over. Okay, there should be a remote and shit. Oh, it's not. Never mind. Ooh, yeah. I'll fix that later. And then, of course, power cable. Hopefully that will reach down to my socket down here. The actual TV itself. Oh, it has plastic on it. Actually looks really nice. It looks really good. Oh wow. Oh my god, I actually, when I bought it, never thought to check if it had speakers. So if it doesn't, I'm gonna have to buy a soundbar at some point. Oops. Does it have speakers? Looks like it might do. Okay, cozies. Cozies. The TV, oh it looks so good. Okay, what connections does it have? Ethernet, USB, 2 USBs, 3 HDMIs, and whatever, all these old ones that I've never used before. No idea what that's for. But, well, what's the name of it? Oh, it's A! That's good. So I'm just looking at the efficiency thingy here. It's A, so it's in a good one. Now I'll take the plastic off the screen. So let's get to the plastic peeling satisfactory part of unboxing a new product. Okay, come on, where is the start of the plastic? Plastic, where are you? I'm doing a assignment in college for PR. We have to make a PR campaign for a client outside of the college, and it's for 50% of the grade. And we've got someone that's in our college. It's the on-campus green campus, and it's to do with the environment. So this probably is not very pro-green in terms of all this plastic and paper and styrofoam. This styrofoam actually is recyclable. So yeah, sorry. Oh well. We got most of it. Got most of it, even though we're let's pull this back a little. Okay. Well, that wasn't a little, but that was very response, but who cares? Okay. So some more plastic. Oh yeah, look at this here. Oh, I have to turn it up. Is there any on the bottom? Actually, never checked. I don't think there is. In the actual bottom of the TV. So here's the TV. Again, it's 4K LED HDR TV. It's 50 inches. And it's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. So you can use it to like turn it on, turn it off, do commands, etc. etc. It's a smart TV, so it can, well, I'm guessing the Android Smart TV. Has the Apple TV Plus on it, Netflix, Prime. It has AirPlay 2 as well. Where do I plug this in? Ooh, nice. Ooh, that's a nice sound. I love that music. Okay, so I am gonna end the video here. I'll set this up, and then my dad's gonna put it on the wall, probably tomorrow. Okay, bye. Ciao tutti.